Here we have a 2018 BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport convertible. Now this vehicle comes with just over £4,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. We also have the 19-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. We have the black sapphire metallic paintwork, the LED daytime running headlights, the two glass black front kidney grills. We also have the front splitter as well, part of the M Performance kit. The side skirts along the bottom with the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and as this is a convertible, the roof will go up or down with a simple hold of a button from the inside. Walking back round to the rear, you'll find that we have front and rear parking sensors and a reversing camera as well. We have the rear diffuser, we also have the twin pipe exhaust as well. Back around to the driver's side, you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If you take a look at the interior, inside of here you find that we have the full black leather interior, two seats at the back and also the two seats at the front as well. The front seats are electrically adjustable and they are also both heated. Driver's side has the memory function. Here is a look at the back seats, where you'll find that we have the storage just in the centre, the fixed ISO points as well. Taking a look at the doors, you'll find that we have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, the electric windows and electric mirrors as well. We also have the multifunctional steering wheel just here, which has paddle shifters on either side. We have the cruise control and speed limiter as well. We have the auto wipers, the auto lights just there as well. Taking a seat inside, you'll find that we have the dashboard just here. If we put our foot on the brake, press the start button, then the vehicle will start up for us. And you'll find that will be free from any warning lights, as you can see. We also have the main infotainment screen just there. You'll find the lights of the sat-nav just there. Put the car into reverse, you'll find the reversing camera and also the parking sensors. Put it back into park low. We also have the media, where you find the radio. We have the FM, DAB and AM radio. We have the music collection, the CD and DVD. We also have the Bluetooth phone connectivity as well just there. Go into main menu, you find further options which we can flick through, as you can see. Onto my vehicle, go into the technology in action. It's where you find the sport displays, which is a pretty cool feature to have. We also have the climate control with the heated seats on either side, ice cold air conditioning as well, all working just as it should do. Further down you find that we have some storage space, two good sized cup holders and a 12-volt connectivity with the different drive modes just here. So if you press onto there, you find we have the Eco Pro, we have Comfort, Sport and also the Sport Plus as well. We have the gear stick just there, the parking sensors, we have all of the shortcuts for the infotainment screen. We can hold on to this button just here and you find that the roof will come up. Just in the rear mirror, as you can see, it is starting to come up. We also have the air scarf on each side of the seats, which is keeps you nice and warm when the roof is down. Keep hold of that and the roof will come up just like so, as you can see. We also have a leather armrest which can be opened up for extra storage. As you can see, the roof has now came up and it tells you just that on the dashboard, and then the windows will come up along with it as well. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this 2018 BMW 435D convertible. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. Now as you can see, I'm not at a fight with steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, it's going straight and true, not veered off to the left or to the right hand side. We have a multifunction steering wheel with your cruise control and speed limits on the left hand side. Now to activate that, you do press the button on the left hand side at the bottom and press up on the little dial that you have and it'll get to nearest miles an hour. Push up very slightly or just by one and push up until you feel a bit of a click and it'll just to the nearest 5 miles an hour. Now to cancel, so you press the brake or double click the cruise control button and it'll then cancel. Now you do have paddle shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode. You can also push the gear stick to the left hand side and either go to sport or manual. First it'll go into sport, and then if you push up and down, it'll then go into the manual mode. So you push down, it goes down gears, and pull up, and it goes up in gears. Or you can use the paddle shift, it's entirely up to you. We have a very comfortable seats. We have the full Dakota leather in black. 2 front seats are heated, very, very comfortable. You do also get the neck blowers just there as well, just below the headrests. Now when you got the roof down, click those on, keeps your neck nice and warm. Now we do have a heated steering wheel as well, so with the heated seats, the heated neck blowers, and also the heated steering wheel, you keep it nice and warm. So if you do want to put the convertible top down in winter, you will be nice and warm. Now we do have your dual zone climate control with ice cold aircon, so if it is a very hot day and you got the roof down and also want the air conditioning on, you can do that as it is ice cold. We have your Pro Nav in the centre where you see sat-nav navigation, you have your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio. As you can see there, it's on split screen, so you have your media on the right hand side and your sat-nav navigation map on the left hand side. Now, pop the car into reverse, you do have your front and rear parking sensors and also a rear reversing camera. Makes it easier for going in those tight spots. If you're backing in to a tight parking space, you've got your rear camera to see how far back you're going, and also parking sensors to save you hitting anything on the front or the back. Throughout this vehicle, we do have the brushed metal and the gloss black trim. It's a very nice feature to have on this vehicle. Now, coming over to the doors, you have your electric windows and also your electric power folding mirrors. Now, looking up there, you do have your integrated Harman Kardon speakers, which do sound absolutely incredible. The loudspeaker, hello, very, very good quality indeed. Sound absolutely incredible. You have different drivers just down here with your stop start on and off, just up here next to the keyless start. You also have your drive modes down there as well, where you have Eco Pro, Comfort and Sports, and also Sports Plus. Now, if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out for any ones knocks or bangs. And if you've been listening out during this test drive video so far, there hasn't been any, which sure is a bonus when buying a used car. Now, here at RS Car Sales, we are a 5-star dealership with over 500 5-star reviews on Google, Autotrader and Car Gurus. Now, if you read through the reviews, our customers really do reiterate the fact that how good we are to buy from and how caring of a company we actually are. Now, this is the 3-litre 435D, so it does come with around 309 horsepower, powered by all 4 wheels, as it is the XDRIVE. Now, when you pop it into Sports and Sports Plus, they really do move. They are a very quick car, but also being the diesel, it is quite good on fuel as well. Now, in a second, I'm coming up to do the emergency stop. I'm going to take a left. Now I'm going to perform the emergency stop. I'm going to do a countdown from 3. Doing the emergency stop, just show that the M-Sport brake calipers work exactly how you would expect them to. And you'll see pop up on the centre screen the front and rear parking sensors and also the rear reversing camera. So coming up to do the emergency stop in 3, 2, 1, hard on the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. And you can see just there on the centre screen the rear camera and also the front and rear parking sensors. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to contact the sales team where they can answer questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this walk around video mini test drive. Hope to see you from you soon. Cheers.